Good morning and welcome to NTM video from the market town of Beverley in East Yorkshire. It is located about 8 miles from the city of Hull, a very old town that was founded in the 7th century by John of Beverley, who established a church here, and today you know that as the Beverley Minster. There are several known landmarks here: Beverley Racecourse, North Bar, St Mary's Church, the Minster, and a wonderful common next to the racecourse. So let's jump in and we'll explore a few of these. Here we are approaching North Bar, a Grade 1 listed building, built at a cost of £98. So this particular side here is called North Bar Without. Through the arch it's North Bar Within, and it acted as a toll. Here we are at Coronation Garden, a public space that was created to commemorate royal coronations. This one was created on a former burial ground. Look at the headstones there lined up against the wall. I wondered what this building was. St Mary's Manor. Apparently it's an apartment block, but look at it. A memorial seat, how lovely. Look at this fabulous water pump. I understand it's Victorian and the only one of its kind in Northern England. Here's another wonderful church, St Mary's Church, founded in the 12th century as a daughter church to the Minster. That's the Beverley Arms Hotel across the way. Here we are, Saturday Market. It's been held here since the 12th century. It was the town's primary trading hub. They used to separate out selling pigs, dairy and grain. At the other end of the town is called a Wednesday Market, and that used to sell fish. Toll Gavel. What's in a street name? Well, this street is where tolls were collected and formed part of the medieval high street that ran between the Saturday market and the Wednesday market. Butcher Row. Have a guess what this was famous for? Here we are, Wednesday market. Right, we'll cross this road and go down Highgate down to the Minster. There's some fabulous pubs in Beverley. This one here dates back to 1270, originally a corn warehouse. So here we are looking at the fabulous Minster, founded by John of Beverley. What a fabulous building. This is also known as the parish church of St John and St Martin, one of the largest parish churches in England. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this little tour of Beverley. We'll see you in the next one.